Hello everybody. For today I will model a weapon. This weapon is called Zangetsu. So I got these image references from internet. I will share this image on the link description. So I will drag and drop this image in Blender. I go to the item and I will reset to 0 the location and rotation. I will delete the default cube. Then I will select the image and I will select the data in the properties panel. Then I will go to opacity and reduce it maybe in 0.18, and I will press 7 on the numpad to go to the top view. Then I will press Shift A, select the plane. I will press S to scale. I will go to the edit mode, select this edge, and then I will select this point and the another point, vertex point. So I will turn off the move tool on the toolbar and drag and drop to the left to move these spaces, this point. I can see the image below, so I will press Shift C to see through, and then I will move this vertex here. Here, maybe this. Then I need to have more loop cubes to get a better shape. So I will press R, Control R, and I will move the mouse wheel 7 times to up, then press left click to validate, and then I will move this vertex one by one. I need more, so I will select edge mode. I will select this edge and we press E to extrude and move to the right. We'll make a loop cut here, select this vertex and move down just a little. We'll press Ctrl R again. We'll put my cursor here and I try to move it here to make a subdivision here. I will return to edge mode, select this edge and drag to the right. I will press X to constrain the movement. We'll press R, Ctrl R to make a loop selection here. Maybe I will do 6 times a loop selection. Then I will move this vertex here. I will make another one. A new one. I will move down. We'll extrude this and scale. Okay, I will fix this part. Be careful to don't move your position of your view, because if you move like this, will move to X, Y, and Z axis. But if you constrain your view to the top, you can move with G and don't move to the another axis, only in X and Y. I will press double G to move this part along the normals. So there you go. I will come to edit mode, select face selection, and I will select these faces. I will press P, separate by selection, and so I got these those two pieces. I will press Ctrl C because I have to deselect this part because this is iron. So right now we press P, separate by selection. I got the knife and the handle. I'll put names. Good. We'll select this mesh I call blade. So then I will come back to shading mode. Then I will select the modifiers. Add modifiers. I go to select the generate, and then I will take solidify. We press the offset to 0 and increase the thickness just a little. I will do the same with the handle. We'll press select, right click, and shade auto smooth, and do the same for the blade. I will move this dot and I will make another loop cut to here, so I can move up just a little, and this one as well. We'll make another loop cut to give more detail here. Trying to remove Okay, I will select this. I will select, hold this vertex. I will press S, Y, and 0 and enter to move everything at the same time here. We'll press double G to move and get a better topology. Good. We select this vertex. I will move up just a little and we'll do the same for this. Okay, right now I will select this blade and I will make an edge here. So I will apply the solidify, then select the edge mode and we'll press Ctrl R to make a loop selection around the blade. So with this I can move these edges. So I will select this edge, I go to the final to here, will press Ctrl left click, then I will press Shift left click to select this edge and go to the final, and then I will press Ctrl and left click. So with this selected, I'm on transform pivot point to the median point, and I will press S and C to scale together in C. I have to fix something, so I will cancel with pressing right click on the mouse. I will press in the numpad the number 1 to see in front, so I can see these edges was moved. So to fix that, I will select the whole loop. I will press Alt left click, then press Alt Shift and left click to these edges. I will come back to the front view, then I will press S and C and 0 to set all edges to 0. I will do the same for this part. And I will do the same. I will press S, C and 0 and do the same for this on the middle, this loop cut. We'll press S, C and 0. So I got everything on the right position. So I will select again this loop and this loop of edges. So then I will press again S and C. Okay, maybe a little more. Then I will, with this selection, I will press G twice. so I can move along the normals. We'll press 7 on the numpad to see how it looks like at the top. So right now I got this blade. I will turn off my image reference for a minute to see how it looks like. Good. So with this part, I see it has to be to the part of the iron, so I need to go to see through, select these edges. Maybe I can turn off my references to see what happened. Yeah, I need these two. So I will press P with this selection. It's separated, and then I will go to the modifiers, select solidify, and the thickness I will decrease. Good. I will apply this. Let me increase just a little. I will select this mesh, and I will press Ctrl J. I'm sorry, will undo one step, and I need to apply the solidify. Then select this mesh and the another mesh, and I will merge together. So I will press Ctrl J to merge. I will select this piece, will select H mode, then these pieces and this one and this one. Then I will press Ctrl V to make a bevel. I will move my mouse wheel twice and then press left click on my mouse to confirm that. I will select the handle. It has to be, I need to move just a little these faces. Okay, I will move this one. And this again. Not so much better. So with this piece, I will save my project. So I will select this mesh. And I will apply the solidify modifier. Then I will select the whole these meshes, hold these edges, I'm sorry. Then I will press Ctrl V to make an bevel. Then press left click to accept. We'll go to object mode, press right click and press shader smooth. The shader smooth panel, I can move and level up to refine these shadings. Good. So right now I will unwrap this. I will select this. I will select this knife. I go to panel work and select UV editing. I will need to make a loop cut, so I select this in the middle, these edges, pressing Alt and left click, and it's gonna be a loop cut. Then with this selection, press right click, then select mark seam or M. Then I will come back to object mode, press Ctrl A and apply the scale. Then come back to edit mode, select everything with pressing A on the keyboard and press and select UV unwrap angle. So I will, in the UV editing, I will select this island to move my mesh with freedom. Maybe I can rotate to 118 degree and press 1800 degrees and press enter. I need to move this little one. Maybe I can rotate it and put here. Okay, let me see if everything is okay. That's good. So I will select this handle, I will select the edit mode, and I need a loop selection. Maybe I can create a new one in this middle and press Ctrl R and then press left click on the mouse to make this loop cut on the middle. I will select it with pressing Alt button and then the right button. I will press right on my mouse and then will select mark a seam. So I'm going to back to object mode, press Ctrl A and apply the scale. Then come back to edit mode, select everything with A and press U to unwrap everything. I will select everything and gonna move to the right, pressing X to constrain my movement to the X axis. Okay, I will select both meshes in object mode to see my UV mapping at the same time. So selecting the both, then press tab to go to edit mode, and I can see these meshes. Okay, I will select this one and the another one and scale a little to done overlapping. Can you see it's overlapping the knife of the blade? So I will move to here and the another one to here. Maybe the blade just a little. There it goes. So with this selection, I will select and turn off the image reference. Maybe you can go to the layout again and will press A to select everything. Then I will press Shift and click in the handle to make this the active selection. So I will press File, E and F to export in FBX, an FBX file. We'll do again File, Export, select FBX, I will select a folder. So I need to create one. Gonna be FB mesh. I got the name. I go to the selected object, then select this mesh and the other options. We'll uncheck the animation. We'll copy the root and export this FBX. I will come back to my use Substance Painter software. It's not mine. I will press File, New. Then I will select the Roblox material variant. It's fine. I will select the file, press Select. I will paste here my root to find my weapon. Everything, just leave and press OK. I got this super cool weapon. Then I go to select this texture baking meshes. So I will press this button and I go to the ID option, then color source. I will change to the material to the mesh ID polygroup. So do you remember in Blender I have two meshes because I merged this blade to this tip of the handle. So I got two meshes separated. These meshes will generate an ID by if I choose mesh ID polygroup, so I can tweak my meshes easily. So I will press bake selected meshes, return to paint mode when it's finished. So I got the curves. I will press shift on the right on my mouse and can rotate the lights. So I will come to here. I will press display settings, change the panorama to soft one, low constraint front to backs. I prefer this lights to start to texturing. So I will put this image into another screen right now, but I got my reference. I will move this to the left. Okay, right now I will select, let me delete the search filter, and I can looking for iron in these smart materials. So I can select iron alt or iron forge all, or just iron. Maybe I can change with steel. I think it looks better. Okay, I will select this steel and drag and drop into my knife. I don't like it. We'll press Ctrl C. I will try to test this. We'll try this one. Mate. Mate looks much better. Okay, when you got some mistakes, this is a good example to fix. I forget to make a better UV map for this tip, so I will come back to Blender, and in Blender I will return to the UV editing workspace, and this is the mesh. it's got a bad UV unwrap, so I need to press edge mode, select this loop selection, and we select this, and with control click, no, it's following this line, so I will select one by one, or maybe select this and then this, pressing control left click. Maybe you can do that one by one. We'll select this one, we'll select this one, and press control, right click on the mouse, then select mark seam. If I press A to select, I will, with the marquito, I will do a selection here, press U and UV angle based, UV grab angle base. So I got this UV map. I will press S to scale and move it down, then come back to object mode, select these two meshes, come to the edit mode, select everything, pressing A, and I will move this UV unwrap that I just made an UV unwrap. So select everything again, then go to file, export FBX, and we'll put in the same folder, same name with the same values, export FBX, then come back to Substance Painter. I will go to edit and re-import the mesh. Now I got a better shape, but I need to rebake, so I go to bake button and just I have to, if ID is the same, so I will press bake, select selected meshes, and then there you go, return to paint mode, and it's fixed. Okay, I got these folders with the whole things to get this texture. I'll come back to the libraries. I will delete the search filter. I'm going to select a new filter. I need a fabric. So maybe I will select this fabric canvas creased. So I will make a drag and drop to here, and everything is painted with these smart materials. So with the fabric canvas crease, I got a folder with everything inside. So I will press right click in this layer, and I will select the option add mask with color selection. So here I got the two meshes separated. Do you remember when we got here, I got these two meshes with the UV map. So with this gonna be our IDs. Right now I have to, I will select only the mesh who gonna have this texture. So I make a mask layer with color selection. If I press here, I will have this option on the properties. So in here I got the options called colors. I will select this pickup color, and it told me I got two IDs. I will select this because I want to put this material here. We will press here, and I got this. Good, very good. Right now I have to explode this folder, and I will need to change the color base. I will press one click, then press here in the base color, this color, and change to something not too white, just make something in gray. until here, and we'll close this. Okay, let's make this part. This has some lines here, so with this I will control this and will create a new layer. Sometimes the layers, if I got the selected the folder, it's gonna be inside, so I will just delete, and I will create a new layer. I will put in out of the folder, and there you go. Okay, I will select I will select this layer, then I will select this brush, then I will increase the height, the roughness I will increase to up to 1, metallic I will leave there like this. So I'm gonna make a zoom, and I will need to paint in the both at the same time to save time. So with this selected layer, we'll press this button to activate the symmetry, but the symmetry gonna work on the x-axis, so I need to change this with this button and change the mirror in Y. So in making a line in red to show me where gonna mirror. So I will reduce my brush, then I will scroll down the properties, paint, and I will take a gray color, then I will make some lines here. I need a darker color, and the height I will reduce just a little. Then I will I will reduce this thickness of this line. I can move my mouse to draw this, but it's a little wiggle, so I will return to this. I can change, I'm working on the 2D view, but it's a little wiggle again. So what I'm gonna do, I will press here one click with the left click, and then gonna put my mouse here, press shift and click, and it will draw a perfect line. So I will do the same with the rest. Okay, we got it. So right now I have to make this part. Maybe can make a hand painting and draw this effect, but I will take another steel material, smart material. So I need something brighter, so maybe this one I will test. We move the lights. I don't like too much. I will come back. Still rust surface. That it looks much better. So with this, I will create. It will create a folder with this name, Still Rust Surface. We'll press right click, add a black mask. So everything gonna be masked. But with the brush paint, I will select this one. I will select the mask, and I will select the color in the properties panel. It's in 1. What happened with the 1? It's the white. If I paint, I will unmask the original my smart material. Can you see? I will press Ctrl C, and I will do this with more control. If you want more control, you can activate this button to this is the lazy mouse, and we'll reduce to 3, and we'll press Ctrl C, and I can make a better shape. I will increase to 8. I need to reduce. So I need to fix this because this is just a little. I got a very high the thickness. So I will mask again, painting in black. I will press X. No make the change. Shift. No, it's not working here. So I will press this button to invert, or just moving this bucket to another side, in black side. So right now I can decrease, and I can paint here. I can right now I'm not deleting, I'm masking this part. Now it works. If I press X, I can switch the color in black to white. Remember, the black gonna mask and the white will unmask. So I will unmask this. I will reduce the distance of the lazy mouse. We'll change to black, and I can fix as I want. Okay, I will turn off the symmetry. So right now I got it. maybe I can put some scratches here. We'll create another. I will create a fill layer. We'll undo that. Press fill, and then I will select. I go to delete the filter. I have the name still. Then I will change to the. I need a mask texture, so we'll select the mask and select some scratches. I will delete this one, this fill layer, and create a new layer, paint new layer. Here I will select the pen brushes. We'll select the alpha, and in the alpha I will select this here search panel, and we'll search scratches. So I will select this scratched heart. I will increase the amount of the size. I need a color. I got a black color, I think so. White color. I'm sorry. No, this is in gray. We'll press here and change to white, and then press left click to make a scratch here, another scratch here, and a little one to here. I need another one to here. I will move this another one here. There you go. We select the layer and change to the normal blading and to try multiply. Good. And maybe here as well. That's it. So I will go to file, export textures, then I will select a folder we call texture, copy that root, and I will select Roblox variant. It's fine. We'll select JPEG and export. We'll open the output directory, and I got these channels. Good. So I will open Blender. Then we'll change the shading mode. I will create a new texture. I will call the new texture Zangetsu. In the Zangetsu, I will select this principal BFDF. Remember to go to preference and you have to activate the node wrangler. With this selection, we'll press Ctrl Shift T, and I will select the material that I created in Substance Painter. It will apply automatically. We'll do this. Okay, let me see what's happened. Okay, default material will open this folder and select default material. This is the albedo, this is the roughness. Yep, that's fine. Okay, I got this in the handle and I need to apply on the blade right now. So I select this blade, select materials, and select that Zangetsu that I have. Okay. Okay, I need another texture for color. Maybe it was a mistake of the render node. So I will drag and drop the default material albedo. This is the color. So I will make a drag and drop. I will select the output node color and connect with the base color. Right now I got this blade making in Roblox. I select both, select with shift to make the active selection, then press file, export, and I will export in, let's try with FBX. I will replace with this. On the path mode I will select to copy. I will activate this little box and then we'll copy this route and export this FBX. We'll change to Roblox Studio. So here I will import 3D. I will select the FBX. I will turn on the anchor checkbox. I will deselect this upload to Roblox and press import. Okay, I got this weapon. I will select this and I go to the scale. I will press 0.01, enter. I will press F to focus the selection, and right now I have to move into down. Maybe I can rotate it. I will press play to see in action. So I got this blade in Roblox. I hope you can enjoy. You can see the shaders, the textures, reflections, the roughness map and the and everything. So you got it. I hope you can like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and we're gonna make you more weapons if you want. So thank you so much.